How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So if you want to find your deleted friends, then first of all open up your Snapchat application. Then after opening, now you can simply go for chats, which is on the bottom left. And then for example, I'll be unfriending someone, so I have this person, right? So you can simply go for manage friendship, and then you can simply tap on remove friend, which is on the third option, and tap on remove. So once you've removed, you have to note that username of that person. So if you simply remember their username, then you can go for the search icon, which is on the upper left, and then here you will have a search bar, right? Simply tap on that search bar, and then you have to enter their username, their exact username, and after entering their username, you will find that person, and then you can simply tap on add, and then you can add that person. But the other way is you can go for the upper right corner, which has the friends icon. Tap on that, and then here under your quick add, you can find that person. You may find that person because Snapchat knows that you know that person, and it may suggest you to your quick add. So you can simply scroll down, and if you find that person in your quick add, then you can simply tap on add, and then you can add that person. So that's it. These were the two ways to get your Snapchat friend whom you have removed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.